Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Today, we would like to present a grammar topic entitled Type of Synthesis, Simple, Compound, and Complex Syntax. In this presentation, we will learn the structure and example of each type and understand how to use them correctly in both writing and speaking. My name is Arvinda Nur Iksania and my friend Raya Selvia. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that express a complete thought. It must have a subject and a predicate. Example, she studies every night. Jadi, kalimat itu adalah suatu kumpulan kata yang mengekspresikan suatu pikiran yang lengkap. Nah, sebuah kalimat itu juga harus memiliki subjek dan predikat. Contohnya, dia belajar di setiap malam. Lanjut, Ray. Nah, type of sentence. There are three main types of sentence based on structure. Simple tense, compound sentence, and complex sentence. Nah, ada 3 jenis dari sebuah kalimat utama dasar, yaitu ada kalimat sederhana, kalimat majemuk yang setara, dan yang ketiga yaitu kalimat majemuk yang bertingkat. Simple sentence. Definition: a simple sentence has one independent clause and expresses a complete idea. Formula: subject plus verb, object, or complement. Ini adalah kalimat yang hanya memiliki satu klausa independen dan menyampaikan satu ide kalimat yang lengkap. Rumusnya itu adalah subject plus verb. Untuk example-nya, I like coffee, she plays the piano, they study English every day. Boleh dilanjut, Ray? Compound sentence. A compound sentence has two or more independent clauses joined by a coordinating conjunction. Conjunction ini bisa disingkat fun boy, yang artinya itu for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Nah, untuk kalimat compound ini sendiri, itu terdiri dari 2 atau lebih klausa independen yang dihubungkan dengan coordinating conjunction. Rumusnya itu independent clause plus conjunction plus independent clause. For example, I want to go out, but it was raining, and she likes tea and he likes coffee. Untuk selanjutnya akan dijelaskan oleh Raya Selvia.
Thank you, Sarwinda. Before this, she has explained about simple sentence and compound sentence. So now I want to explain about complex sentence. The definition of complex sentence: a complex sentence has one independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. Subordinating conjunction: because, although, when, if, since, while, after, before, and etc. The formula: independent clause plus dependent clause. The example: I stayed at home because it was raining. Oke, artinya kalimat ini punya kalimat yang utama bisa berdiri sendiri dan atau lebih anak kalimat yang bergantung pada kalimat utama itu adalah complex sentence. Nah, tadi di sini contohnya I stayed at home because it was raining. Nah, I stay at home itu bisa berdiri sendiri. Tapi because it was raining, nggak bisa, itu disebut dengan dependent clause. Nah, ciri dan kata penghubungnya, ciri-cirinya gampang banget, yaitu ada satu klausa utama dan satu klausa anak atau klausa pembantu. Biasanya pakai subordinating conjunction kayak because, although, when, if, since, after, dan lain-lain. Seperti itu. Contoh lainnya, misalnya ada I didn't go to school because I was sick. Saya nggak sekolah karena sakit. Okay, now we have notes on complex sentence. Jadi complex sentence itu yang pertama one main idea, independent clause. So the second one or more supporting ideas, dependent clauses. So the third dependent clause cannot stand alone. Seperti itu. So, complex sentence itu penting banget buat bikin kalimat lebih jelas dan natural. Gunakan buat nunjukin sebab, waktu, atau kondisi. Seperti itu. Oke, the last we move to conclusion. From all our explanation about simple sentence, compound sentence, and complex sentence, the summary is simple sentence, one independent clause. So compound sentence, two or more independent clauses. So the last complex sentence, one independent plus one or more dependent clauses. Okay, maybe that's all from us. We hope our explanation is clear. Thank you for your attention. And the last we say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.